Entering date and time. When you enter time in a cell in Excel, it looks for the hours, minutes, seconds and AM or PM. So, the default time format is hours, minutes, seconds, AM or PM. For example, 10:28:35 AM. That is 10 hours, 28 minutes, 35 seconds. 8:15:00 PM. 10:28 AM. 8 PM, etc. Excel recognizes all the formats given in the examples here. Similarly, when you enter date, example 10/4, Excel recognizes it as date and displays 10 April in the cell. To change the format of date or time you entered, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cell where you want to edit the date or time. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Number Format dialog box launcher. Step 4. A Format Cells dialog box appears. Select Date option in the Category section. A list of formats is displayed. Step 5. Choose the format you want. Step 6. Click OK button. You can see a preview of the active cell in the sample box with the format you have selected.